Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites, then start creating or enabling an Apple ID right away. Make sure your device runs a supported OS and is online, otherwise the sign-in will fail. Once done, open Settings or System Preferences and tap Sign into your iPhone or Apple ID. You'll choose Create Apple ID if you don't have one, or enter your Apple ID and password. Provide a reachable email and phone number for verification, because Apple uses them to secure your account. You proceed by verifying contact methods and tightening security. This is the complex middle where most delays happen. After entering your email and password, Apple will send a code. Enter it promptly, and if it doesn't arrive, request a resend or check spam. Next, enable two-factor authentication. Add at least one trusted phone number for recovery. Make sure to review payment and iCloud options, because these determine device syncing and backup behavior. Once all fields are correct, confirm to finalize account creation. You finish by signing into all Apple services with your new Apple ID so data syncs across devices. Once signed in, enable iCloud backups, photos, and Find My to protect and recover your device. Make sure purchases and subscriptions are linked to this Apple ID, otherwise content may not appear. If something goes wrong, first reboot and check Wi-Fi. If that fails, reset network settings or visit the Apple ID account page to manage verification and devices.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.